Do you want to create a stunning outro that looks professional? You can create it quick, free, with little effort that will increase your number of subscribers. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay, you go into Canva and then you tap on the top, the little house, and then you tap on the YouTube thumbnail. So in this little search box over on the left hand side, you type in outro. Got YouTube outro. So my suggestion is, like this outro here, you're asking somebody to do something, so that is good. Different colours evoke different emotions. So it's something for you to consider. Like this one here, it's got subscribe on, it's blue. You can have a playlist in here, or you could have the next video, one of the user's choice. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to add this outro at the end of my video. Thanks for watching.